Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we are opening the March kit for your creative studio. Sorry, I totally forgot what I was doing. But we are going to be opening this month's box. This is labeled March right here and also on the side right here. So let's go ahead and dive in. So as always, there's the thank you card, which gives us an idea of what the kit is going to look like. So I am seeing lots of print and florals, and you guys know me, wildflowers are my everything. I love florals, so let's dive into this. I'm just gonna take everything right out of the box so I don't battle the box the whole time. And then I'm just gonna slide everything out here. So right away I can see some exclusives, which I'm super excited about. You guys know how I feel about her exclusive items. The more exclusives, the better. So let's jump in. We have a washi tape here, which I'm super anxious to see what the design is going to look like. And it is another vertical washi, which I love because I can use it along the edge of my pages, which is really, really pretty. There's some really pretty florals in here. Next, we have one of the stamps. And it looks like we have a bunch of separated wildflowers, which is really pretty. I love the look of these. We have another one, so let's dive in. This is a bigger one. And we have some print with flowers on the side, which is really pretty. We'll test those in a minute. Let's open up this box here. And it looks like we've got, ooh, there's a lot of really small ones in here. Okay. So we have some smaller little labels here. And we've got some numbers in different shapes, and they all seem to be in the brown color story. And then we have some slightly bigger ones. These are really pretty. And I think they're stickers. These feel like stickers. Yep, totally stickers, which you guys know I'm all about. I don't have to worry about adhesive. So I think these are really fun. I love the look of these. This is great for addresses, for your envelopes, and just decoration on your pages. Love, 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 love. I love that they're all the same color too. This brown color makes it really, really easy to use across everything. Here is the exclusive sticker sheet, which is beautiful. You can see all the exclusive floral designs in this month's kit. Super love them. I love how soft these colors are too. They're not really bright. We've got all very neutral, natural nature tones, which I absolutely adore. All right, next we have a little paper pack called Cottage Garden. And we've got 3 different sizes. Looks like we have a square. This would be good for like tiny origami. These all look like old wallpaper designs, which is really fun. And then a slightly bigger one. These are perfect to add as tip-ins or for layering. Those are all really pretty. All right, next we have this little ticket book thing, which is really interesting. I've never seen this before. So it looks like there's a little cover here, and it is attached with a twine. Oh my gosh. You know what this reminds me of? Like those old paint swatch books. My dad worked at Sherwin-Williams a zillion years ago, and he used to bring home all the old wallpaper sample books so we could play with them, and all the old paint chip books. And this is like this action right here, this tactile action is like bringing it all back. Okay, so this is perfect for Easter. We've got some bunnies in here, some really delicate birds. This is just like the perfect spring and Easter item. I am totally loving this. This is so much fun. Okay, so another thing, it looks like these are sticker sheets, and they are not perforated, but they are, what's that word? They're like pressed. They're like folded in, scored. So, yes, I love that these are stickers, because you guys know how I feel about that. If I don't have to fight adhesive, I'm all about it. So these are really fun. I really love this. I've not seen anything like that before. Then we have one of these fun vellum books. We've had things similar to this in the past, and these are perforated, so you've got a bigger one on the top and a smaller one on the bottom, with black and white and color images throughout. These are always really fun, but I definitely struggle with the vellum because no adhesive I have found is completely vellum proof. So, and then you have some blank vellum in the back, which is always fun if you want to play with it. Add some stamping to it or washi. This, oh my gosh, look how cute this is. This is another little vellum book, and they all look like little tickets. So I don't want to flip through the whole thing, but just give you an idea. This one, super cute, looks like a little English bus ticket, and it's vellum. So that's really cute. This is the perfect colors for this month's kit. Next we have this pack of floral stickers, which goes along perfectly with the style florals that we've got going on this month. If you can see the resemblance there. I've had this particular sticker pack in the past. I bought it many years ago, and I actually just finished using up what I had. So this is exciting to have some more. I love these designs. It feels more fall to me than spring because there's lots of brown ferns and stuff, but the purples in here will definitely make up for that. They're really pretty. I still really like this. All right, the next is, says paper ephemera, but it feels like cardstock to me. It's definitely, ooh, it's double-sided. So it's definitely a cardstock, and it's double-sided. So it looks like we have 3 designs. We've got this one, which I'm not sure which is the front, or which is the top, which is the bottom. Look how pretty this one is. I love it. These are double-sided. So there's the design for the one card. Here is the design for this card. I love this. This is so much fun. I am already bursting with ideas. And then this is the design for the last card. So pretty. Ugh. I love it. These feel like Project Life cards in my hands. But they're very satiny. The finish is very finished. It's very satin feeling. It doesn't feel dry. It feels very satiny and soft and really lovely. So many ideas. All right. Next we have another paper pack, and this is an exclusive, another exclusive. And this paper is a little bit bigger. I would compare it to like a 5x7, but it's so pretty all on its own. Like, I wouldn't want to add anything to that. It's so pretty. Absolutely love these. And this is paper. It's not a sticker, and it's not double-sided. It's just regular paper. It doesn't feel like anything special. Not extraordinarily thin or thick. It just feels like printer paper, like regular computer paper. And the last item is very clearly sticker paper, obviously from the back. And it looks like it may be the same designs, just in a 6x6 with sticker paper. Oh, I love that. I think this is perfect to use for collaging a background. This is a good anchor piece. I do want to say right away there's a smell. It's not offensive, but it definitely smells like a glue. I can't actually describe the smell. It's not bad, but for the people who do have a smell sensitivity, there's definitely a smell, but it doesn't like hurt. It's not like intense. It's probably just the adhesive on this particular sticker paper. But that is it. So we've got sticker paper, regular paper, a thick card, which already looks like it's been distressed along the edges, which is really, really fun. We've got some vellum elements to play with. We've got this really pretty floral paper that we can play with in different sizes, stickers, more stickers, this little ticket book, which is, again, super adorable, our labels, and then the stamps. So let's go ahead and test these out to see what they look like stamped out, because they always look different from the printed image on the front. So, all right, I've just got some sticker sheet here that was left over from a label I had to print earlier. So let's just go ahead and stick this down. And then I'm just going to use this ink. It's a wet ink, so it makes it easier to see what I'm doing and gives me a little bit crisper of an image. And with this fine like size of what's printed here, I'm not going to push down super hard because I don't want to smudge anything. So I'm just going to lightly sort of touch it so I can get that more delicate look, because let me show you what it would look like if I really smushed it. It would just really distort the image, and sometimes less is more. So this is typically the kind of pressure I would do for most other stamps, and actually it looks fine. So that's really cool, and it almost looks better. So the silicone or the rubber that she's using for these stamps is actually really, really good quality. I'm super impressed because I was 100% expecting that to be a smudged image. Let me figure out how to cover this back up. Yeah, right, Skylar. All right, and then I'm just gonna put these little florals on. This one feels like it's gonna get flimsy, so I need to be aware of that one. Looks like I'm only gonna be able to fit 3. Let's see if I can't get more. There we go. Because we have a 4th one. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay. So let's see if I can't push down as hard as I did on the other one and get the same crisp image. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. So here is what the other stamps look like, and that is absolutely stunning. I love that. I hope that was clear. Let me go ahead and tap the screen here. How pretty are those? I love that. Okay, so let's focus back down. Okay, this is future Skylar coming back in. I do want to note that these stamps, I didn't notice it in the moment, but I think Amanda has done something new with her stamps because the top isn't sticky anymore like it has been in the past. Normally when you peel off this little clear sheet, this is sticky so that you can attach it to your clear block. It's not sticky anymore. I was just getting ready to put these away, and it's got this coating on the top of it that doesn't peel away. It's meant to stay on, and I had no issues getting these stamps to stick onto my clear block. So that is definitely something new that I just noticed. Maybe she's done it in the past and I have been completely oblivious, but as far as this month, that was new, and I really appreciate that. This is going to make storing them so much easier. And yeah, anyway, so thanks. All right, so I already have a ton of ideas on how I want to use this kit, and it all centers around these cards. I love this thick card. I loved the tags that we got last month. I think what I would like to see in the future, maybe a bigger size cardstock like this, because maybe like this size, because when I first saw these, I was kind of hoping they were thick like this, because I feel like I could do a lot with a thicker sized image like this. I don't know, I just had so many ideas when I first saw this, but it's just regular paper, so it makes it kind of hard to use it in the way that I'm thinking. But I am just absolutely dying. I can't wait to play with this, and I'm probably gonna just go right into playing with it right now, and then you guys can look for a video in the future featuring this kit. But for today, that's it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you like this unboxing. I'll leave everything you need to find down below, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Bye!